Okay, so this is the eScience labs for investigative principles. So let's open it up. This is the inventory checklist. So we have an access code for forensic students portal, one under the lid, which is right here. General kit instructions booklet, which I would imagine it to be this one. Labware. We need a 10 milliliter graduated cylinder, which I would imagine this one, 10 milliliters, check. A 100 milliliter beaker, plastic. 100 milliliter beaker, plastic. A 100 milliliter graduated cylinder, which this one is 100 milliliters. A funnel, pipettes, disposable, 10. Okay. Guessing these say they're 20. On the thing it says 10, so 20 of these. A protractor, which is in here. A ruler. Check. Safety bag, which contains an apron, 5 pairs of gloves, glasses, and 3 underpads, which is here in the safety kit. I've already opened it, so everything's in there. Additional materials: a butane lighter, which here. A clipboard, check. Fingerprint ink pad, which is, I'm thinking, this blue thing right here in this packet, so that's check. Hand lens, which is also in here, this plastic piece back here, check. Masking tape, check. A permanent marker, which there is a permanent marker right here. Pens. So I would imagine they meant pens as permanent markers, so check. Styrofoam plates, we have those here, check. A tape measure, which we have it in this bag, check. For the modules, evidence and crime scenes. Evidence and crime scenes. Toxicology, no. Evidence and crime scenes. Okay, so lift tape sheet, which is right here. Plastic bag right here, and 1 sock right here. So all of these are checked for the evidence and crime scene module. For fingerprinting, right here, which it should include a fingerprint brush, a fingerprint card, a fingerprint powder, and lift tape sheets. So here we have the fingerprint brush, check. The fingerprint card, I believe, is in here. which I'd imagine it's this one. So that's check. a fingerprint powder, which it should be 2 grams. Fingerprint powder and lifting tape sheets, which right here, so that's checked. Okay, so for the DNA, which I believe it's this one, the DNA kit. It should include a 50 milliliter standing tube with cap, which is this one, check. A 9-volt battery, check. Alligator clips, 1 red, 1 black, check. Carbon fiber plastic, which I imagine it's this, check. A cheesecloths, which cheesecloth right here, check. Micro tip pippets, which is 6 of them, which they are all here. So that's check. Mini gel electrophoresis chamber with 6 tooth comb, which I imagine it's this, check. A rubber band. Mine came with a broken rubber band, so I guess check. And a wooden stir stick, check. Okay. And another plastic bag. Okay. Okay. So for fibers and hair, we have this. It should include aluminum foil, right here. Let's check. Cotton fiber sample, check. Unknown fiber sample, check. A polyester fiber, check. A rayon fiber sample, check. A silk fiber sample, check. And a wool fiber sample. Okay, all those are checks. For impressions, evidence, shoes, tires, and tools, toy car. Okay, toy car, check. Photography and glass should contain a glass sheet with clear packing tape on one side, a foam sheet, hammer, and a nail. So I'm guessing the foam sheet is this right here, check. And that is this one right here. So I do see a nail, I do see a hammer. A resealable bag, right here, check. And a glass sheet, which is right here. So that is also checked. So we got everything there. Autopsy and death should have a digital scale, a dissection toolkit, a dissection tray with styrofoam, a face mask, grass frog, and a weight paper sheet. So I'm guessing it's this one with the frog in it. Okay. So a digital scale, which is right here. That's checked. A dissection toolkit, which I imagine it's in here. Okay, so this has a bunch of sharp stuff. So check. A dissection tray, a styrofoam tray, which is this one. So check. A face mask, which is right here. So check. A frog, which the frog is right here. And a weight paper sheet, which is right here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so question documents, which are right here, which it should contain paper clips, check, chromatography paper, which it is right here, check, will signature ink sample, which is right here, a paper mate pen, which is right there, and a Uniball Onyx Eco Fine Point pen, which is right there. Okay, so that's checked. Okay, so my fire investigation and arson, which is this. It should contain some aluminum foil, check, a cylindrical candle, it's right here, check, the glass test tube, which is right here, check, a metal mesh, it's right here, check, and the test tube clamps, which are right there, check. Alright, for the toxicology, imagine it's this, correct. Cornstarch, which is right here. Check. Multi-well plate, which I imagine that would be this. So check. Baking soda, right here. Check. Sodium hydrocarbonate, right here. Check. Unknown substance, right here. Check. And wooden scoops. Yeah, right here. 4 of them, correct. Checked. And the white paper sheets, right here, checked. For the firearm, just string, which check. Printed material, which would be right here. We have a trace paper sheet, which I would imagine it to be I don't know, I have a chain of command custody tracking form. I have this thing. I have a crime scene sketch, I imagine. Some handwriting stuff. This. A bunch of papers. Cardstock. Black construction paper. The trace paper. Printer paper. And white construction paper. So, I imagine all that's in here. So, check for the printed materials. And for the chemicals, I imagine it's this right here. Here goes the marker. Okay. Agarose. Need to find that. So I guess I'll just. Okay, acetone. Check. Ethanol. Check. DNA extraction solution. Just right here. Check. Acetic acid. Just right here. Check. Agarose right here in the green one. Check. Simulated blood. Check. Iodine, potassium iodine. Check. 1 tablespoon of buffer. 1x TBE buffer. Okay. And methyl orange, which it is right here. Check. Ponzu G, I guess that's right there. Pyronin, which is right here. check. Unknown 1 right there. Unknown 2 right here. And Xylene Coyote, which is that one right there, that last one. So it looks like everything's in my kit other than a broken rubber band. It seems like a lot, but I'm sure it's not too bad. So yeah, that's everything that's in the eScience lab kit.